You are looking at 2003 Chevy Cavalier 4-door sedan with front damage. This car has salvage title. Broken windshield. All tires are still good. I would say about 70–80% still left. Interior, I would say, nice and clean, and in the trunk there is 4 good floor mats, manual mirrors, power locks, power door windows. For radio and CD there is missing faceplate. This car has very low mileage. It is right now 43,000 miles. Airbag, of course, because both airbags are deployed. And if you would like more information about this car or any other of our vehicles, please visit www.rebuiltcars.com.